Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute rainbow bird. Let's start drawing. At first, I draw the shape of her head. Then I draw her cute eye with a circle and heart in it. Now let's draw her triangle-shaped beak and the rest of her body with her nice wing, belly, and her two legs. Finally, I draw a half heart shape onto her chest. Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Awesome! Now let's use the colors of the rainbow to color our cute birdie. I start with red for the half heart on her chest. Then I color her beak orange. I use yellow for her legs. Then light green for her head. I color this part blue. Then I use purple for her belly. And finally, pink for here. Let's start again on her wing. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and finally pink. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!